In this very quick video guide, we're going to see a specific effect in After Effects that will help you to stabilize your video, your footage coming from your camera. Perhaps you use a smartphone or a non-professional camera. So this way you can just fix it right away, adjust it right away. I'm going to create a new project from File, and then I'm going to create a new composition from Footage. And I have a video here which is kind of unstable because it's you can see it's moving on a boat, and also the camera is not stable because I probably holding with the hand. So a quick way to fix this is to apply an effect. All you need to go to is to Effects and Presets, search for the stabilizer, and apply the warp stabilizer. So you click and drag, apply the stabilizer on the footage, and just wait. What it's going to do is going to start to analyze what's happening here in the footage, and it's going to begin to apply some transformation, like moving, rotating, making sure that the image stays as stable as possible. So it depends also on the quality of the video and so on. Now you have also here the rendering. So right now is 100% almost, there you go. And now it's gonna start to stabilize. And then you can change here the stabilization in the results. You can do the smooth motion or increase, decrease the smoothness, and change other parameters if you want. Now let's see the result. I'm gonna press the spacebar, and you can see that it's more stable than before. You can also like use the frame blending, motion blur if you want to make it more, you know, fluid, and you'll find all the other informations in the After Effects video course. You can see the effect right here. You can also turn it off to see the before and after. Now to stabilize the footage, also it created a zoom and just crop out anything else that wasn't needed. So if you, this is why we have this kind of a zoom situation right here. So this will be all for this video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter and check out other courses and guides that you find in the channel. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.